10-year-old Rayhan loved building things. While other kids played games or watched cartoons, Rayhan spent his time collecting wires, motors, and plastic parts. He wasn't just playing, he was dreaming. One day, he surprised everyone by creating a small walking robot from scrap materials. It wasn't just a toy. It could actually respond to voice commands like go and stop. His friends watched in awe as the robot moved around the room. Rayhan laughed and proudly named it RoboBuddy. When he took it to the school science competition, his invention stole the spotlight. Teachers praised his creativity, and he won first prize. But Rayhan wasn't finished. He dreamed of building robots that could help people, robots that could care for the elderly, clean the environment, or even explore space. With a big smile and bright eyes, the little scientist kept imagining, kept creating, and kept believing in endless possibilities. Did you like the story? Then don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fun adventures.